Have you ever noticed how the world looks a little dull during the monsoon? Grey skies, dark clouds, almost no sunshine. But somehow, plants see this weather completely differently. While we wait for the sun, they celebrate the rain. And today, I want to show you what my balcony becomes during the magical season. Welcome to my little rainforest. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Green Thumbs Guide. It's been raining since morning. The air feels cool. Everything smells fresh. And honestly, this is my favorite time to walk around the balcony. Come with me. Let's see what the rain has quietly changed over the last few weeks. Because trust me, one corner has transformed so much I can still believe it every time I looked at it. Look at this. Just a month ago, you could clearly see outside. Now, the hanging plants have become so full. They almost created a living green curtain. Every vine, every leaf has grown with the help of nothing more than rainwater and fresh air. Sometimes I stand here with a cup of tea, doing absolutely nothing, just watching the leaves move with the wind. It felt less like a balcony and more like a peaceful forest. And we are only getting started. Wait until you see my favorite water corner. This rain stopped only a few minutes ago. This is probably the most beautiful light of the entire day. No harsh sunlight, just soft clouds, tiny water droplets, and every leaf looking freshly polished. It's amazing how the same balcony can look completely different after a shower. Moments like this remind me why I fell in love with gardening in the first place. And now, let me show you a corner that always becomes happiest during the monsoon. Here it is, my little water garden. The water hyacinth has exploded with growth. The colocasia, especially the black magic, looks even more dramatic against the cloudy sky. Big tropical leaves, gentle rain, moving water, and tiny corner instantly makes the whole balcony feel cooler. But my next stop is probably the most peaceful place in the entire home. These lycopodium ferns absolutely love this weather. The humidity has made them incredibly lush. I've always believed that gardens don't only need flower. Different shades of green, different textures can be just as beautiful. And speaking of beauty, welcome to my favorite corner, my little lily pond. The fish are swimming peacefully underneath. The water is crystal clear, and every time I sit here, I lose track of time. But something even more exciting caught my attention today. Come closer. Look at this. Can you see it? My monstera albo had a brand new leaf. This never gets old, no matter how many plants I own. Watching a fresh leaf slowly unfurling still magical. And besides this bright red cassandra add the perfect splash of color. Nature really knows how to create beautiful combinations. But this isn't the only new leaf today. This is the moment every foliage lovers wait for it. A philodendron unfurling a fresh leaf, slowly, patiently revealing a brand new masterpiece. Every half has its own personality, its own color, its own shape. The lemon lime almost grows in today's soft light. It's moments like this that reminds me gardening teaches patience better than anything else. Now let me introduce you to some of other stars of this balcony. This is my birdnest fawn, looking happier than ever. The syngonium, this has grown beautifully. Every philodendron seems to have decided this is their season. China doll, zipland, aglaonemas. And this wonderfully bushy horse. Have all filled the space with different textures. Even the pothos seems determined to climb every possible corner. Sometimes I wonder who really owned this balcony, me or this plant? Surely this is for this plant. I think we all know the answer. But before the finish, there's one last corner I'd love to show you. This is my eastern balcony side. Morning sunlight reaches this side first, and you can really see the difference. The oxalis are glowing, the colorful coleus are brighter than ever, the heart-shaped via keeps quietly growing. Some of my adeniums are still rewarding me with flowers. The white vincas already started blooming beautifully. I think you have already seen my Nagchampa flowers. Against this dark monsoon sky, they somehow shine even brighter. You know, people often say rainy days are gloomy, but when I stand here, surrounded by all this life, I see something completely different. I see growth, I see hope, I see nature reminding us that sometimes the most beautiful transformations happen quietly. Thank you so much for joining me on this July balcony tour. Is this little rainforest brought even a few moments of peace to your day? Please leave me a thumbs up in this comment. I'd love to know which corner become your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe the Green Thumbs Guide for more balcony, gardening, plant care and peaceful garden walk. Until next time, keep growing and keep smiling. Bye.